She is one of the stars of Real Housewives of Salt Lake City.
But instead of appearing on her TV show today, she was supposed to appear in federal court on fraud charges.
Fox 13's Ben Winslow explains why that hearing didn't get very far.
This hearing went off the rails. So many people who are apparently Real Housewives fans and gawkers flooded the line for the virtual court hearing. It shut it down. Real Housewives of Salt Lake City star Jen Shaw and her assistant Stuart Smith were expected to have a quick arraignment on fraud charges, but there were a lot of issues. The court had trouble getting her lawyer on the line. Shaw herself couldn't be heard in the hearing held virtually because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The judge pointed out there were more than 250 people on the line, and some weren't muted, saying things like, "I'm on for the Housewives trial," and "So do you watch Bravo?" It wasn't amusing for the judge, who must hold a public hearing, but also needs to hear from the defendant. This is inadequate, he told everyone on the call, ending the hearing and rescheduling it for Friday to work out IT issues.
How'd you get so rich?
My background is in direct response marketing for about 20 years. So our company does, advertising. We have a platform that helps people acquire customers.
Fox 13 has confirmed Shaw and Smith are actually among a dozen defendants accused in a nationwide telemarketing fraud case. Federal prosecutors claim it targeted hundreds of victims. Some of the defendants have already taken plea deals.
It appears to me that they're probably relying on a snitch.
Rudy Bautista is a criminal defense attorney who represents white-collar crime defendants. He argues the government's case may not actually be that strong, but they'll certainly try to use her appearances on the show against her.
They're hoping that people will see the videos and see how lifestyle she lives living in Park City. They're going to want to paint a picture of that. But some of the things they've said, such as she incorporated companies and she had offshore accounts, that is the American way.
Now, I asked Utah's Department of Commerce if it has any investigations or complaints into Jen Shaw or her businesses. The agency says it doesn't comment on any active investigations. In Salt Lake City, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.